Galing bang Korea? Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! Ay, wala pa ko kaari ay. First time. First time pa ko kangari. Kasi pag hingog mo diha, kabagsik. Bibilat, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway, bibilat.
Ito yung kinahintay ko, di ba? Kung may nag-ganyan sa bahay.
San Diego, San Diego. Mga statue. Ay, sana. Ay, ba talaga ang mga vlog?
Eh, mag-vlog na natin tayo. Vlogger sila eh.
Ba-vlog kayo, ba-vlog kayo, bebe.
Vlogger talaga, iba talaga eh.
Karon pa ko kangari. Karon pa ko kangari. Karon pa ko kangari.
Welcome.
Kinahintay ko ito po, may painting ako.
May building ka dyan,
Ah, Pipa Pit Senior.
Ay, diretso naman na kayo din, sir. Ako sa talikod sa orientation area. Dali mo, guys. Dito po kayo. Upo kayo dito. Diyan o, sa ano ni Jun Ray. Tapos dito, may orientation tayo. Yung lahat ng bayad na, pasok kayo dito. Upo kayo.
Sabihin. Karaan din siya, karaang balay. Mga antik. Diba sa karaan. San Diego, San Diego.
Inside, please, for the orientation.
Yes, so anyway, good morning everyone. Happy New Year. So by the way, in here actually, this is always if you are allowed. You need to say, well if you are not, you need to phones, pictures, videos, literature, gently touching all the artifacts, or staying. Just kidding. Gently touching all the artifacts, it's good. So by the way, here you are allowed, just like I said, feel free to explore the whole thing, but just be careful, okay? Not to break anything. So the house was built 1675. So which is now considered as one of the oldest houses in the Philippines, and possibly the oldest Chinese home, which is outside from China, because original owner is Chinese, and the family name is Yap. But now it was owned by Filipino San Diego, since Filipino married to Chinese. So that is why the house known as Yap San Diego Ancestral House. And the structure also, it's still on 90% original. We've been hit. Super typhoon, earthquake, of course we know this already, worldwide. But luckily the house is still here. So the main structure, this lower walls of the house made out of coral stones. Original all of the posts, even the flooring, stairs, especially the roof. And all of the artifacts that you can see right here, these were compilations of materials from 16th century until 1940s. But it was owned by different generations of families. So now don't be confused about this. That painting behind of the cashier, that couple frame, these wedding pictures is just one family present on there now, considered to be 11th generation. Still alive, 62 and 61 years old. Their full-time residence is 10 minutes away from here. That's why every weekends, they always come here to sleep using the bedroom upstairs. It's because they don't want this house to be totally abandoned and privately owned by the family. So how old the house? Running 350 years old this coming October. Included in a book entitled Chinese Houses in Southeast Asia. So now I'll give you time. But it's better when you go out there. Okay? We have also garden at the back. Just take the time. Happy holiday everyone.
Thank you. Balik tag sa kastaas, guys. Here we go, our Santo Niño. Mga antique gid siya, guys. Mga antique gid siya. Hi, Daddy Lods. Imagine, guys. It's very antique. Espada de Magellan. Oy, may pang premiere na ko ani.
Ma'am, jump shot.
Jump shot. One more smile.
Salamat. Mami Luz. Picture. Picture.
We're all coming up here. Take a picture of all of us in the window. Doon sa mga bintana lahat. Picturean tayo.
Ay, multo. Ay, multo. Kuyaw kayang atop ko. Kuyaw kayang atop ba kay kuan?
Baka mga lago. Ayun.
Wa ka nag-vlog, bibilag.
Nandun sa bagko.
Kuis ka kuya, ni kuis mahugma kuis. So that's all for today's video, guys. That's all for today's video in San Diego. Bye, guys. Hi, vlog. Welcome to my channel.